Good morning guys, we're in Zanzibar at the moment after an 8-day grueling safari. So just to give you a rundown, day 1 was spent in Arusha, 4 points in the Sheraton. Day 2 in Serengeti National Park. Day 3 in Manyara National Park. Day 3 we managed to go past Ngorongoro, get a viewpoint and then headed off to the Serengeti. Started off in the south. Next day central and the following day we were in the north. Hope you guys enjoyed part 2. So here's what's coming up in the next episodes. The Great Migration, where the wildebeest cross over from Kenya into Tanzania, crossing the Mara River. We've got more cheetahs and a serval cat, bold enough to confront them. Lots more lions, hyenas, elephants, flamingos, hippos, crocodiles, animals everywhere literally. After all of that, then we're going to go into day by day breakdown of where we stayed, what animals we saw, how we prepared, what we were expecting to see, what we saw, what we wanted to see, how we packed for the next day, what we packed, what was in our bags, what was in our vans, expectations really. We then go on to behind the scenes, how we filmed everything, what kind of cameras, mounts and everything else we used. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like our videos.